What a powerful closing to our prayer and fasting week. Thank you, Pastor Atoni, for leading us on the final day. Blessings for everyone, with deep revelation from 2 Kings 4 and 2 Kings 13:20 to 21. We were reminded that God's blessings overflow and His power still brings dead things to life. We also honor Mommy Eva and Mommy Angel for courageously sharing their lives and testimonies.
Kapag may big blessing si Mr. mula sa kanyang commissions, ugali po niyang i-divide ito sa mga pastors' friends na di kalakihan ang mga iglesia at sa mga church na kailangan ipa-repair ang building at sa mga ilang estudyante na kilala namin para pambayad sa tuition fee para makagraduate at sa classmate na anak ko nung high school na this June 25 ay gagraduate sa kolehiyo na naging part din kami sa financial needs ng kanyang family.
The double portion is meant for us to minister to others and to bless others. So, ang prayer po natin is maging ganun din po, mapalaki natin ating mga anak ng merong desire, a heart to serve others, a heart to bless others, at hindi lang para sa pansarili nila.
Ang economy ni God is hindi siya tawag dito, hindi siya pakabig, dapat palabas. Kasi kapag naka-close yung hand natin, naka-close fist tayo, hindi tayo mabibigyan ng blessing ni God. So dapat naka-open din tayo. Kumbaga, wala naman blessing na binibigay si God na sa atin talaga eh. So flow, lang tayo, parang a vessel lang tayo. Yun nga po, diba sabi niyo po, yung oil na nag-flow lang siya para it would continue to flow through us. Yun. So, yun po, praise God kasi kahit paano yung anak ko po is nakikita niyo yung faithfulness ni God na never talaga na kapag may nakukuha siya na kailangan is this is mine. Kahit kasama siya sa, I think Gen Z siya eh. Gen Z siya, pero yung niya is to give. Not yung time niya rin sa pag-serve sa ministry kay God.
Your stories of faith and breakthrough stirred our hearts and reminded us that God is not done writing our stories either. The blessing doesn't stop here. Carry it forward. What blessing are you believing for? Drop it in the comments and let's agree in prayer together.
King